In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoresponder in AWeber, a tool that can save you hours of manual work in email marketing, ensure you're engaging with your audience effectively, and improve your conversion rates. Let's dive into this process step by step, and soon you'll be automating your emails like a pro. To get started on AWeber, you'll first need to have an email list. So once you're logged into AWeber, you'll want to click on Create List. Here, you'll enter your sender name and email address. These will be what your audience sees, so make them recognizable and trustworthy. Then, it's time to choose a unique name for your list and come up with a short description. This description will appear when someone opts to unsubscribe, so be sure to make it clear and compelling, telling them just what they're missing out on. Once your list is set, it's important to set up your confirmation email. AWeber offers several proven subject lines, but for a more personal touch, I recommend picking the one that incorporates your subscriber's first name. People like to feel seen, and personalization is key. Once you've settled on your subject line and crafted the email content, give it a review and go ahead and approve the message. Just like that, your new list is officially created. Having a list is just the first step. Next, you'll need people to join it. AWeber simplifies this with its user-friendly sign-up forms. You can pick a design template that matches your brand and easily customize it using their intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Once you're satisfied, embed the form on your website or landing page. This will serve as the entry point for your subscribers to your autoresponder series. The cornerstone of any autoresponder is the welcome email. This message is your first chance to make a good impression, offer value, and set expectations for your subscribers. From your AWeber dashboard, navigate to Messages and then select Legacy Follow-up Series. Here, you'll create a new message using the drag and drop builder. Add a captivating headline, engaging text, plus any images and links you'd like. When you're done, make sure to click Save and Exit. To ensure this welcome email automatically sends when someone subscribes, go to your draft, select Send Options, and choose Add to Follow-up Series. But autoresponders aren't only about that initial email. They're about creating a sequence that steadily engages your audience. Head back to the follow-up series and click Create a Message to add another email. Write your next message and decide when it should be sent. AWeber's default is a one-day interval, but you can personalize this. Think about your audience. Maybe every 3 days suits better, or perhaps weekly updates are more aligned. You can even tweak sending windows to boost your open rates by opting to send on specific days. Once your autoresponder is up and running, it's crucial to monitor its performance. AWeber provides detailed insights into open rates, click-throughs, and subscriber growth. Use these metrics to refine your subject lines, experiment with different times, and sharpen your call to actions. Remember, automation isn't just time saving, it's about fostering meaningful connections with your audience on a continual basis. And there you have it. That's how you set up an autoresponder in AWeber. You've now automated your email marketing, making it easier to maintain communication with your audience and see better conversion rates. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more handy marketing tips and tutorials.